Hey there, I'm Jessie, and welcome to part 3 of our marathon seat covers video series with the installation on our 2021 Jeep Gladiator. We're going to be taking you through how to do the install on the back seat and bench, so stay tuned. So our full back seat and bench comes in multiple pieces. You've got a piece for each of your headrests. You've got a piece for your armrest here. And then you have one whole piece for your passenger and center bottom, another piece for your passenger and center top, and then one piece for your driver bottom and one piece for your driver top. So today we're just going to be doing the full installation on the passenger side. Driver side's already installed. It's the same process for both sides. So let's get started. Okay, so your headrest comes with a hole to the side. That's to accommodate the push button that releases your headrest down. So you'll unvelcro it, and with the long side to the front, you'll slide it on, aligning the seams of your seat cover to the seams of the headrest. Next, you're going to tuck your flap underneath and tuck the fabric underneath your push button. I like to use my bike tire tool to do this. To secure our headrest, we're going to fold our seat down and just pull the Velcro flaps from the front around to the back and secure it in place. Next is the passenger backrest. This piece is a big one. You're going to unvelcro everything. Think of it as just one giant jacket. It's going to be a process of laying it up against the backrest and wrapping it around. We're going to start with our left corner and we're going to marry it with the left shoulder of our backrest. We're going to feed underneath our headrest. Feed the rest of it underneath your seatbelt. You'll need to pull your armrest down. You want to go around the corner to the back. Like that, where your holes end up where your headrest grommets are. Go ahead and Velcro the back. It'll help you polish up your fitment in the front. All right. We'll tilt it back and start massaging your seams to line up with the seams of your back seat. Okay. The bottom here is going to tuck in between your seats. And then this portion right here is going to tuck underneath your armrest, back and around. You'll end up pulling it up from back here and securing it to this Velcro strip. Once you've tucked the front Velcro straps between the cushions, you can reach around the back, pull it up, and secure it to the bottom Velcro strip. Next up, the center armrest. It comes with a cutout for your cup holders. It also comes with a stitched opening for your pull loop. Slide that on. Tucking your flap underneath. Once you've got them pulled through the back, then you'll just secure them to your Velcro strip here. There you go. Last up, the bottom cover. These two cutout holes will go to the front and it's going to accommodate your car seat latch points. We'll unvelcro all the back and we're going to tip up our bottom seat so we can slide it on from the bottom up. Okay, just slide it on. You'll have to do some wiggling and finessing because again, it's designed to fit tight like a second skin. It's like a pair of jeans. Once you get past the hips, it's fine. See? What did I tell you? All right, again, flip your seams out. tuck the flap between your seats. All right, so we're all tucked in. Before we grab the Velcro from the back and tie it up at the bottom, we want to tuck in our raw edges around our car seat hookup. Now we can clean and tighten everything up, smoothing out the wrinkles by grabbing the straps, tightening them, and securing them on the bottom. And that's it. That is the complete setup for how to install your marathon seat covers, back seat, in a 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Check out part 1 and part 2 of the marathon seat cover series. It features an unboxing and the installation of the front seats. See you later.